Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking you through how to make CHITOL mas kofta curry. So here, as you can see, my mom is pouring mashed fish out into a colander, however you pronounce it. And this is store-bought, the IPCO brand. She loves the IPCO brand, but you can buy a whole fish and do it yourself. But my mom just wants to make life easier by buying the store-bought. So here she is getting all the, you gotta take all the excess water out from the fish, because that's just basically ice water, and if you keep that in, then the fish is gonna taste off. So make sure you get all of that water out from the fish until it's dry mash. Doesn't look very appealing, but it will get better. I promise you that. So now she's put it on a plate, and she's gonna add the ingredients so it marinates inside the fish before she cooks it. Here she's adding 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. We use the Bolts company. We love that company, Bolts. So if you haven't heard of it, check it out. And she's adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste. We've tried all different types of curry powders, and trust me guys, Bolt's curry powder is the best. And chopped coriander. We get ours from, obviously we chop our coriander, put it in the freezer, but you can use fresh coriander. And here, as you can see, she's mixing all the ingredients thoroughly and then putting them into sections on the plate. Then grab each section and roll it into a ball in your palm. In the middle of your palm, just roll it into a ball. Then using your fingers, pat down into a flat circle so it looks like patties, but it's kofta. We call it kofta. And that's basically half of the job done of how to make CHITOL kofta. Try and make them the same size. There we have it. And then you pan fry the fish kofta for 5 minutes, making sure to cook each side until golden brown. Please remember to turn them over, because you don't want to burn one side and then the other side not being cooked properly. You don't want to mess up in that, because once you mess up there, then that's it. I mean, it's ruined. So here you can see after 2 minutes, she's turning them over. Make sure they're cooked to a golden brown. Now here is a separate cooking pan for the curry. And to that, she's going to add some vegetable oil. Now it's up to you how much oil you want to add into the pan, because obviously we all like different consistencies of oil in our curry. So yeah, up to you how much you want to add. And also obviously add salt to your taste, obviously. Next, you want 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and onions, 1 large onion. And then you got to cook until the onions are soft and a golden caramel color. I decided to skip this part in the video because it takes forever. So as you can see, the onions are soft and they're turned into a golden color. And that's what you need to do. Caramelizing onions, that's what they call it, I think. Yeah. As you can see, she keeps checking back on the koftas because you don't want to burn them. Now back to the cooking pan. Now that the onions are simmering, while it simmers on a low heat, add 2 wooden cooking spoons of curry powder. So obviously, if you cook with a wooden spoon, add 2 of them of Bolt's curry powder. And I don't know the company of the chili powders, but add 1 wooden spoon of that to the pan and mix together. Mix very well. So you're going to keep mixing the paste until it turns into a brown burgundy color. So obviously you're cooking the powder into like a nice burgundy paste. I'm sorry guys, this is my first time explaining something. So as you can see, it's not going very well, but I'm trying. So she's put it on a low heat and she's letting it simmer. Now here she's added some shathora, which is a Bangladeshi vegetable, to the curry. It's completely optional. I don't like shathora myself, but my mom does, so she's added that. You know, it's everyone. A lot of people like it, so you can add that to the curry, or you could just leave it out. It's optional. And then after it's turned into a brown burgundy color, the paste, move the excess oil from the patties and slowly add them to the curry and stir. So stir everything together, all the ingredients together, and then add a tiny amount of water so the curry doesn't burn, and then keep stirring. And then while that simmers on a low heat for at least a minute, as you can see, it's simmering, nicely boiling here. She's just added half a jug of water, stirring it. With that half a jug of water, you're going to have to cover the pan, the cooking pan, and then you're going to let it boil for at least 2 minutes on a high heat. So make sure it's on a high heat, you let it boil, and then here is the final dish. There you go, everyone. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share, and also subscribe to our channel, and there'll be more cooking videos for you coming soon. Bye.